Hi everyone! So today I'm doing a house tour. This is from Ayala Land, Amaya Series Vermosa, located in Imus, Cavite. So pagpasok natin sa bahay, this is what you'll see. This is, by the way, our model house here. So ayan, just for inspiration, I'm showing you our model house. And for you to see how spacious this unit is. So over here is the dining table, good for 4. Pero depende how big your family is. Pwede kayong maglagay ng table na good for 6, ganyan. And ito yung living area naman. Maliwanag dito sa living area because of this window. Malaki yung window niya. And ito naman yung ating kitchen. So our kitchen is over here. Meron itong palabas dito sa likod. So pwede dito yung laundry area. Pwede yung gawing laundry area. Then this is the provision for toilet and bath. This is the provision for toilet and bath. Nakaabang na yung mga tubo natin dyan. So, just a disclaimer. Standard deliverable for this space is finished toilet and bath. Okay, for the actual toilet and bath, meron tayong unit na available for viewing. Yung unit 6. And let's go upstairs. Pakita ko sa inyo how the stairs is designed. Ayan ang design ng stair of our model house. There are 3 rooms, 3 bedrooms over here. So let's start with this bedroom. The standard ceiling height is 3 meters rear and 2.5 front. So ayan yung disclaimer. This is the first bedroom. So, tamang-tama kay baby. This is actually designed for a girl. Pero, it really depends, syempre, no, kung babae o lalaki yung mga anak nyo. So, this one is designed for a girl. Or designed, or parang what I mean is, inayos siya, no, for a girl. Yeah, designed for a girl. So, then this one naman, ito yung master bedroom. So, where the lovely couple will stay. Ayan. Maliwanag din. So, hindi na kailangang mag-ilaw during the day kasi maganda yung lighting nitong ating model unit or nitong unit na to. And this one naman is designed or styled for a boy. O, diba? Ang cute-cute ng wall design. And itong mga itong mga nakalagay. So obviously for a boy itong room na to. Tapos meron siyang rug dyan. So again, this is a model unit. It's really up to you kung paano nyo pagagandahin yung unit nyo. I'm sure mas may maiisip pa kayo na mas magandang design kaysa dito sa pinapakita ko. This is just an inspiration. So, yan. This is developed by Ayala Land, no less. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng property na maganda, na talagang trusted yung developer, go for Ayala. Madaming properties. Just leave a message, comment down below. Anong property ang inahanap nyo? Details of the property that you're looking for. And I will try my best to look one for you depending on your preference, preference ng location, depende sa budget nyo. Let me know. So, and this is it for this video, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Mommy Viz. Bye!